Hey, how y'all doing? I just wanted to say some thank you to the staff here, for being amazing, being patient and taking care of my little girl. Let me tell you, it was a headache. Like I'm look at my hair. I'm bald because the first couple of times my daughter was very scared, very scared. She would not stay still. She would not. They had to strap her down. She would not stay still. She would be spitting things out. She would be crying. She would be having like anxiety attacks before she even sat on the door, on the chair. But the staff here was amazing. They calmed her down. The TV, my daughter, I told her just focus on the TV. One of the things that I did to help as well, I explained her the procedure to kind of calm her down, so she knew what to expect. It took us 3 tries, and this last try, she just sat there, she spoke, she smiled, and the staff here made it an amazing experience. So for those parents out there that are hesitant, that you feel bad or sorry for your kids and stuff, don't, because it's part of the procedure that the staff is going to take great care of them, and for the kids, you'll do just fine. My daughter did it, and so could you. Okay.
I had a great time and I really have fun and I think they are the best dentists ever.